Your next car could be the 2020 Nissan Rogue. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, dual zone AC, power driver seat, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.